Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is MI A3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to take slow motion video in MI A3 smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone MI A3 and go to video mode. Click here and click this icon. This is slow motion. Now start recording your video. So while recording your video, the video will be like a normal video. But after that, if you play the video will be playing in slow motion. I record this video and I stop this video. Now I play the video that I recorded. See the action here. The first 2 seconds will be normal. And see after that, from this moment the video is very slowly playing. The action is very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion action in MI A3. See the action. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.